What's up, everybody? I got a review for you today. Check it out. I think you might like it. I think I will. So I went down to Home Depot and got the Home Accents Holiday 12-foot tall skeleton with the LCD eyes. So look at that. Look around. Looks suspicious. So he was 12 feet tall. And I guess he weighs around, it says 85.5 pounds. And the box is big. The box is pretty big. So it's about, I think, 40 inches by 44 by 27. So just make sure you got plenty of trunk space for this big boy. All right, let's open her up and see what we get. All right, buddy, let's open her up. Sergi. There we go. Okay, so it looks like we have instructions on it and on both sides, so that's cool. Let's see what we got inside here. Oh wow,
This is a hand?
holy crap, that's a big hand. Pull that hand out, let me see. That's huge. High five. High five! So it comes with a cable. The cable hooks up to these bottom ends right here, and they go through the spine bolt that you put through, connects all the way to the other side. You got to kind of pull it forward to connect it. And then your AC adapter power cord just plugs right here, and this guy right into his right butt cheek, pretty much, butt bone, I guess. So what do you think? We should put it up? All right, let's put it up. Here we go.
We did it!
So this comes with these little stakes that go in the corners to stake it down. Get some, buddy.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Turn it on. There's a button right here. Hold it. Should be on. Is it on?
I see you. All right, so there he is. All 12 feet of him. This guy was huge. Good base. Don't mind the grass. I let it die for Halloween or something like that. Sure, why not? But he is big. What size is that feet, boy? I mean, I'm like 6 foot, 5'11", but I mean, this is right there, and I'm up in his junk. It's, you know, get a little headroom right here. Headroom. Anyways, yeah, he's pretty tall. He's pretty awesome, and he's gonna be a great addition for my front yard. Flies everywhere out here. Maybe because I stink and I'm sweaty. But hey, thanks for tuning in. I hope this was helpful. Get yourself one. Go down to Home Depot and get yourself one of these big old skeletons. They're not bad, you know. You got left foot, right foot, just human anatomy. Just instructions good on the box. So, all right. Thanks for checking in. See ya.